Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up a priority mode in Windows 11. So, if you got constant pop-ups driving you crazy, let's fix that by setting up priority mode on Windows 11. So only the important notifications get through. And here's how to take control of your focus. So first you can just open the settings on your computer and then go to system, and here click on focus, and this is where the magic happens. And here you can just adjust the notifications in here, and here you can see the set priority notifications. Tap on that and you can see this is the settings. You can just select this one in here, which one that you prioritize. You can set them here, and you can also customize the priority list. You can add your favorite apps like Teams, Slack, or important people from your contacts. So this way you are not missing anything vital and still blocking distractions. So that's it. You are now in control of what notifications matter. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share your must-have apps for priority mode below. And I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!